Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best integrated amplifier under $2,000. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every kind of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Marantz PM8006 Integrated Amplifier. The Marantz PM8006 Integrated Amplifier is made in corporate design with a curly aluminum front panel, on which there are all controls arranged symmetrically relative to the vertical axis. In addition to the usual input selector and volume control, there are also tone controls for low, medium, and high frequencies, as well as buttons for selecting operating modes. Among them is a selector of 2 pairs of connected speakers and direct audio supply modes bypassing auxiliary circuits, as well as turning on the input of the power amplifier. The amplifier is made on a 3-layer chassis, eliminating the impact of any external vibrations on it. The Marantz PM8006 is equipped with an upscale built-in phono equalizer, the circuit of which has been completely redesigned by the company's engineers to exactly match today's current requirements for vinyl reproduction. The amplifier also uses proprietary HDM modules that have proven themselves in the Marantz technique. The device circuit is built on discrete elements and is covered by current feedback, which allowed us to obtain a linear operating characteristic and a wide dynamic range, and minimizes noise and distortion. In addition, such circuitry provides the necessary stability for the amplifier when working with speakers with a complex impedance characteristic. The amplifier volume control is built according to a new scheme to achieve the most smooth and accurate tune of the signal level without audible noise. Number 2. Denon PMA600NE Stereo Integrated Amplifier. If you love vinyl records, there's more than one reason to use the Denon PMA600NE to complete your system. First, it has an excellent phono preamp included, meaning you don't need a separate one. Second, it incorporates an outstanding analog mode feature, which bypasses the amplifier's digital circuitry completely. The pure, warm sound that results is definitely worth the trouble. And unlike less expensive apps, like the Onkyo A9110, there's both Bluetooth and a solid DAC included here, so it can take digital sources without breaking a sweat. If you're looking for a stereo amp to handle a turntable, and you like your audio to have some real weight to it, the PMA600NE is the one to pick. However, this amp is made by Denon, so some design features are practically baked in. The remote is terrible, designed with what feels like no thought for the user. And while the PMA600NE does have a couple of nice aesthetic touches, like the old-school font on the front end and the prominent knobs, they can't save the amp from looking absolutely dull. Being utilitarian is fine, but very little about this amp is appealing to the eye in any way. Good thing it sounds so sweet. Number 3. Marantz PM7000N Integrated Stereo Amplifier. When you are looking for wireless streaming that gives you that loud but crystal clear music quality right at your home, then the Marantz PM7000N is probably the best option. Why? Well, the Home Entertainment Operating System, HEOS, installed in this enables you to stream music from several platforms, be it Spotify, Pandora, or Apple Music. With HEOS-compatible speakers, you can even set up multi-room audio. Whether you are in your room or the kitchen, you can control your device anywhere. Marantz's Hyperdynamic Amplifier Module, HDM, makes this easier for you. Hook up your turntable to the amplifier's integrated phono input and listen to the most vivid and emotional reproduction of vinyl with minimal distortion and improved signal purity. Connect your digital TV, Blu-ray, or DVD player across the digital inputs for a premium audio playback of your favorite shows. Easily operate volume control, mute, power on-off, and amp source selection for PM7000N with your TV remote. You can get a HEOS wireless speaker connector as an optional extra, and you can run the HEOS from your smartphone or just stream directly from other apps like Spotify. Number 4. Cambridge AXA25 Integrated Stereo Amplifier. The Cambridge Audio AXA25, an integrated amp that features a sleek and beautiful design that features agile sound delivery. There are only the best quality components under the hood, such as a high-spec heatsink and a damped power supply. You can turn the Cambridge Audio AXA25 into a wireless unit using the USB input to connect a Bluetooth device or Google Chromecast audio. One of its big selling points is the design, which utilizes all of Cambridge's helpful tricks, like upside-down labeling on the rear ports. The company already makes some of the best apps available right now. The AXA25 is currently in our top 3, above, and it's great to see them releasing a more wallet-friendly product. Moreover, the audiophile-grade toroidal transformer with the built-in DAC delivers clear and refined sound from the digital sources connected to the amplifier. Also, this integrated amplifier has analogs that allow you to connect your device to play your favorite music. You have bass, treble, and balance controls on the front panel plus a very large volume control knob for easy setting at 25 watts per channel. Number 5. Fosi Audio Bluetooth Stereo Amplifier. For the price and for the size, you can't get better than the Fosi Audio BT30D. It's the best integrated amplifier under $2,000 for those who need to conserve space. Even with the budget price, the BT30D supports the entire human audible frequency range with a THD of only 0.04% and a signal-to-noise ratio of 98 dB. BT30D wireless stereo amplifier adopts two PCS Texas Instruments TPA3116D2 chip. The TPA3116D2 are stereo-efficient and digital amplifier power stage for driving speakers, with an advanced oscillator/PLL circuit that employs multiple switching frequency options to avoid AM interferences. High performance effectively improves output power and audio quality. Max power output up to 200 Watt. The front control panel has subwoofer volume and frequency controls with many connections. The BT30D also has wireless connectivity in the form of Bluetooth 5.0 and a built-in power protection circuit in the DC adapter. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.